Hey, what's up guys? These are the tools we're gonna use. Piston caliper tool, small pry bar, 3 ratchet with 14mm socket. Okay guys, those are the 2 caliper bolts that we're gonna undo. We're gonna use a 3/8 ratchet with a 14mm socket. Normally you can just undo 1 bolt, which is the bottom part, and you can just pry it up with a pry bar if you're having a hard time, just like so. You don't have to remove it like what I'm doing, but because I want to show you guys how to push the piston back, I'm gonna have to undo it like that so you guys can see it. So I usually like to have like cardboard box while working, so it can catch all the dirts. So that's the tool to push the piston caliper back. Let's start pushing the piston. I'm having a hard time pushing the piston and it's making sound. So in this case, it seems like the piston is seizing up. So what I like to do is open the bleeder screw and let all the dirty brake fluid from the caliper. Just basically putting the caliper back in, then I can undo the bleeder screw. Just loosen it up, and so there you go. You can see all the brake fluids are dripping out. So you can actually save a caliper when you do this. Sometimes it does help save, sometimes it does not, so it's best to try. So when you're done pushing the caliper all the way back in, you can just close the bleeder screw valve. And that it is. Piston is pushed all the way back in. cleaning up the piston part and the slider pin part. Alright, just leave that aside there. And apply some slider grease on the slider pin, both sides. That's an easy glide that I got from Lordco. There we have the Element Ray Vistas. Now I just have to make sure they are the right match, and it is the right match pad. And that's the lubricant that I will be using for the pads here. So those pads are ready, and we're gonna put a bracket shims. Now those shims are from the pads. It came in the box, so if the pads does not come in with shims, just the old one. Make sure to clean it up. And I'm just gonna slide in the rear, the inner pads. And then the outer pads. Apply a lubricant, inner, outside. We're gonna slide this caliper back in, slide it in like so, and tighten the bolt. Torque specs 25 foot-pounds. Alright, I'm gonna show you guys the front view of the job. So you can see, guys, those are really good lubricant, by the way. Highly recommend them for brake pads.